Why do you need to install Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are a common modification for car most lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their car. The Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacer can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacer have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacer can also be adapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Designed as the bloxsport active cooling Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Toyota Land Cruiser, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.